Okay, now that I've made a graph of my data, I'd like to calculate the mean, the mode, and the median. These measures of central tendency give us some basic information about a data set. In order to calculate the mean, it's really the average of the data set. In Google Sheets, I've got the word mean written here, and you can see I'm in the next cell over. I'm going to enter an equals sign into that field. And then I'm going to start to write the word average. You'll see it will bring up different functions. I'm going to go up to average, and you'll see it opens a parentheses. I'm looking to calculate the average of this data set, so I'm going to drag over those and then close the parentheses with an enter. For the mode, you can do that by looking at your data set. The easiest way to look at your data set, though, is again to sort the data. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go over to my data. I'm going to sort that range again. My data has a header row. And I want to sort this time by score again. And again, I'm going to start from low to high, and I'm going to click sort. Scanning down here, I'm looking for a number that occurs more than once. And in fact, I'm looking for the one that occurs the most often. This data set is bimodal. So you'll notice that 207.1 occurs twice, and then down here, 212.3 occurs twice. So it's a bimodal data set, so I'll enter both of those as the mode. So I'll say 207.1 and 212.3. Now the median, you'll remember, is the middle point of my data set. Sometimes, if there's an odd number of data points, it's a value from your data set, and sometimes it's a calculated number. In this case, I've got 20 data points, so it's going to be a calculated number. So again, in order to calculate it, I can put my equals. I'm going to start to type the word median. I'm going to select that function, and again, it's going to open a bracket for me. I'm going to take this, bring it down, and you'll see it's calculated my median. The median occurs between these two data points, and so it's really an average of those two data points, or 206.1.